All right, so I just got finished with my trading session for the day. As you can see, I took one trade in total. It was a very short trading day for me. Ended up making around 196 in each of my 16 PA Apex accounts. So in total, made just over $3,000 profit on the day. So like I said, I took one only trade today. I actually took it live on Zoom with my Inner Circle members. If you guys don't know, I trade live on Zoom Monday through Friday. So with that being said, let's go ahead and roll the replay from the trade I took this morning.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. How we doing today? All right, so currently watching ES here. Really we can watch any indice or index, whether it's YM, consistent green candles, ES, same thing. RTY, same thing, and then also NQ if you guys are watching that. Yeah, I'll be watching these three, whether it's YM, ES, or RTY. We do have FOMC tomorrow. So today could trade a little weird. I mean, honestly, yesterday traded pretty weird as well. All right, I'm hoping we get a little bit more of a pullback. Okay, so this is where the trend is kind of broken, and we don't really want to look for longs anymore at 57.10. RTY pullback looks pretty good. Let's take a peek. Yeah, it looks like a little bit deeper of a pullback. So really, we just have to hold like this low right here. So let's see how far we pull back. Yeah, we're not getting any volume on the lows. So if we get a confirmation candle, we'll need to see that with elevated volume. Okay, I'm trying longs here on RTY. I can really just put my stop at like 227.7 or so. Didn't get the best entry. So that's my risk. I see something like this if we get there. All right, let's see if we can break the highs here. Okay, I just got filled at my 1-to-1. I just have no resistance to work with that contract change. Like I don't know if this is like the accurate price because the contract did change. So I figured I'd just get out at my 1-to-1 right there.
As you can see, it was a very simple trade. If you guys don't know my strategy already, let me go and break it down real quick. So the first thing is I always focus on the trend because I'm a trend pullback trader, right? So I want to make sure we have a good trend when I'm going into the market, right? And the way I look at that is the pre-market. So we can see we had a nice steady trend making higher highs, higher lows. And another easy way to tell the trend is good is I just go over to a 4-hour time frame, for example, and then I'm going to go over to Heikin-Ashi candles. And we can see during pre-market, we had steady rising Heikin-Ashi candles. Okay, so this is my sign to look for pullbacks to take long since the trend is up on RTY. Okay, trend was up on S&P, NASDAQ. RTY was a setup that looked the best, and it was the first one that presented itself. So going into the 2-minute time frame, as you can see, market open, we started dropping, right? I was basically saying, as long as we hold this last low, I'm interested in longs on these pullbacks. Then I look for confirmations. Okay, so first confirmation we saw was we saw a little bit of volume on the lows, but the main thing was this candle right here. As you can see, this is my first confirmation candle to get long. It also had increasing volume. Okay, so I could actually put my stop just below this candle since that's where the volume was. And then we also had the zero lag MACD already crossed as well. This on a 2-minute time frame. And then I simply rode a 1-to-1 risk reward. Okay, so I didn't really know how high we could go up since we're kind of near all-time highs, and then the contract rolled over, so the prices don't really match as much. But basically I was like, yeah, we don't have much resistance over this. I don't know how high we want to go. Tomorrow's also FOMC. So I just decided to trade it with a 1-to-1 risk reward, and we end up getting that right here. I sold at 35.7. We went up to 36.1, and then we dumped back down. So I got a pretty good exit on that. Either way, we could have taken this trade again, and as you can see, we basically just been trending up the whole day on RTY. So overall, very simple trade. The most important thing is the pre-market, since we're trading at the open, looking at the trend and making sure we have consistent green for our Heikin-Ashi candles. If we do that, right, and we follow it, all the pullbacks are way more likely to get bought up, right? And again, trading is all about probability. So I want to put myself in the best probability. If the market's choppy in pre-market, right, we have sideways candles, then chances are the market's going to be choppy in the open and during the day, and the pullbacks are less likely to get bought up even if there's some kind of trend forming. So again, you always want to put yourself in the highest probability to win your trades. So anyways, guys, that's my trade recap for the day. Real quick before you guys go, like I said before, I trade live every single day on Zoom. You'll be able to see my screen just like you saw from the replay earlier in this video. If you guys want to join me on those live trading sessions and trade live with me Monday through Friday, we are running a special right now where you can join my Inner Circle group for completely free over the next 7 days. We're offering a free 7-day trial. You'll be able to trade live with me every day on Zoom. You'll get access to a private Discord with all our other members in there discussing their trades as well. So if you guys do want to take advantage of this, we'd love to have you inside the Inner Circle group. All you have to do is click on the first link in the description below, or just head over to this link right here to lock in that 7-day free trial. So there's absolutely no risk for you joining us. So anyways, guys, that being said, like I said, FOMC is tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern time. I don't know how the market's going to look in the morning. It's probably going to be choppy. So most likely I won't be trading live until 2 p.m. Eastern. We'll see what it looks like. So anyways, guys, hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow at Market Open.